Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gadget of all time. Today I am going to make video on travel luggage of this year. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1: LEVEL8 Gray Sext Carry-On Luggage. The LEVEL8 Gray Sext Carry-On Luggage is a 20-inch expandable hard-side suitcase designed for convenient and stylish travel. Constructed with a durable ABS plus PC hardshell L, this suitcase offers robust protection for your belongings while maintaining a relatively lightweight profile. The sleek gray color adds a touch of sophistication to the luggage. Any notable feature of the LEVEL8 Gray Sext Carry-On Luggage is its expandable design, allowing you to increase the packing capacity when needed. This flexibility is particularly useful for travelers who may need extra space for souvenirs or additional items acquired during their journey. Equipped with spinner wheels, this carry-on luggage ensures easy maneuverability through crowded airports or busy streets. The spinner wheels provide smooth 360-degree rotation, making it effortless to navigate through various travel environments. Security is a top priority, with the inclusion of a TSA-approved combination lock. This is an extra layer of protection to your luggage, giving you peace of mind during your travels. In summary, the LEVEL8 Gray Sext Carry-On Luggage is a reliable and stylish travel companion, offering durability, expandability, ease of movement, and enhanced security features. With its thoughtful design and functionality, it caters to the needs of modern travelers. Product 2: PRODUCT Name LEVEL8 Roadrunner Pro Carry-On Luggage. The LEVEL8 Roadrunner Pro Carry-On Luggage is a 20-inch lightweight PC hardside suitcase designed for convenient and stylish travel. This suitcase is equipped with a range of features that make it an excellent choice for modern travelers. Its polycarbonate construction ensures durability and resistance to impact, providing protection for your belongings during transit. Any notable feature of the Roadrunner Pro is its built-in USB charging port, allowing you to conveniently charge your electronic devices on the go. This feature is particularly useful for travelers who rely on their gadgets during their journeys. The spinner trolley design enhances maneuverability, making it easy to navigate through airports and crowded spaces. The luggage also comes with a front compartment, providing additional storage space and organization options for smaller items or items you may need quick access to. The inclusion of a TSA lock adds an extra layer of security, a stylish accessory for your travels. Overall, the LEVEL8 Roadrunner Pro Carry-On Luggage offers a combination of functionality, durability, and convenience. Product 3: PRODUCT Name Luggage Carry-On Luggage with Aluminum Frame. The Luggage Carry-On Luggage with Aluminum Frame is a sophisticated and durable travel companion designed to meet the needs of modern travelers. This suitcase boasts a sleek and stylish black hardshell exterior, providing both aesthetic appeal and robust protection for your belongings. The incorporation of an aluminum frame enhances the luggage's overall durability, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of travel. Any notable feature of the Luggage Carry-On is its polycarbonate zipperless design. Product 4: Product Name Carry-On Luggage. Carry-on luggage is an essential component for travelers seeking convenience and efficiency during their journeys. The provided overview focuses on an 18-suitcase featuring a front laptop pocket, designed for ease of use and practicality. The suitcase is constructed with a durable aluminum frame and a hard PC polycarbonate shell, ensuring protection for belongings within. The inclusion of spinner wheels enhances maneuverability, allowing the luggage to glide smoothly through various travel environments. A distinctive feature of this carry-on luggage is its TSA lock, providing an added layer of security for travelers. The Transportation Security Administration (TSA) lock allows airport security personnel to inspect the contents of the luggage without damaging the lock, ensuring compliance with security regulations. Additionally, the avocado green color adds a touch of style to the suitcase, making it visual.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.